I had another question from you from your earlier speaking. It was about that kind of the cash flow, their returns that an investor, if it's this their sole investment, or if they're part of a syndication, and the returns that are the annual returns that are distributed quarterly or monthly or annually that are coming back to the investor. How are those taxed? I know groups out there kind of structure it differently. Our team structure it as a return of capital, so then it avoids taxation. Kind of to speak on that and strategies that exist for the income coming back to the Canadian.
Yeah, that's a great point. That's an excellent point. So, the only difficulty is depending on the type of investment and how it's made, and also the amount of the investment. Eventually, I hope for you guys, August and Ava, the capital will run out, right? So returns of capital runs out. You put in $1 million, if you're successful over 5 years, you're going to get that capital returned to you. Then it's income. And the income, when through these structures, whether they're limited partnerships, corporations, or whatnot, when there are distributions to foreign limited partners or foreign shareholders of a U.S. entity, they're subject to withholding at the highest marginal tax rate, anywhere between 30 and 39% in the U.S. So we have to be extremely careful with these things. And depending on how the money flows on whether it's on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, or annual basis, well, there's going to be remittances obligations to the IRS in order to comply with the foreign investment rules and make sure that the foreign doesn't get money and doesn't kind of pay their tax dues to the US and to the individual or independent state. So you have to be very, very careful. There's an amazing set of cross-border accounting firms across the country. A lot of people do great with these rules. So, it's great to be guided on the structuring and on the way in with good advice, but it's as important, in my opinion, to be accompanied by a good compliance team of accountants and lawyers.